Salvation Army thing. Goddamn. You getting high already?
He's already killed.
It's just 2 o'clock.
It's that late?
You know, you smoke too much of that shit. That shit's gonna rob you of your ambition.
Not if your ambition is to get high and watch TV.
Ain't no time for faking jacks. Stop faking jacks. Brothers who fake jacks get laid on their back.
Today we're going to show you how to use the VLine 2 in a 2016 Acura ILX. Here we have the VLine on the screen, and that's because we're in the iPod source. This is where you'll go for the VLine to come up and for the audio to work through the VLine. If you wanted to listen to another source, you can go into like FM and then press and hold the menu button, and the VLine will come on the screen. And now you'll have FM audio, but you'll have the VLine up top. It doesn't combine any audio, so you'll have to go back to the iPod source here to actually get audio from the VLine. So to use the key panel right here, the joystick is what you're going to use to navigate the VLine, and of course the enter button will select. But for some of the other buttons around here, we do have some functions. So if you go up here in the upper left into the hamburger menu and then go into key mapping, you'll see we already have some assigned here. So go ahead and remove that one. So for home, if we want the menu button to do that, we'll go ahead and tap here and it says press the desired button on the keypad. So we'll press menu. And as you can see, it's now keybound that to home. And for voice style, if we want that to be the phone button, we'll press there and do phone. And the info button will also work as well. For any of the other buttons, we have that for maps here. And so now as you see, when we press the menu button, we go back to the home. And then if we're in CarPlay or Android Auto, when we press the phone button, it'll do the voice commands. For the joystick right here, normally you'll just be turning it and pressing the enter button, and that's how you'll navigate through the menu. On some menus though, like the settings here, if you want to scroll down, you can actually pull the joystick down and it'll actually do a scroll. You can also use this and Android Auto to go between a few different menus by scrolling back and forth and then pressing the up or down on the joystick.